Hi students, welcome back to OpenCV tutorial. So in this session I am going to teach you how to access your web camera or external camera using OpenCV code for image processing operations. So it's going to be very simple line of codes, and we have to understand the logics. Let me start with, first we have to import our OpenCV. The name is CV2. Yes, so then I'm going to initialize. So next step is we have to initialize the video variable. So using this we have to initialize it, right? So which is nothing but vid, or whatever name you want you can give. So I'm going to give video is equal to cv2 dot. So here we have the function named video capture. So here you can see, so inside to that you have to pass the parameter which is 0. So it will switch on your camera, it will open your camera. So then we are going to apply some conditions. While the condition is I'm going to create two variables, which is ret and frame, because we are going to get the input like that. So while processing a video, while getting an input from the video, you will get to know how we are going to use this. So just type frame dot video. So video, which is nothing but the variable which I have created over here, dot read function. Okay, so no need to pass any parameter over there. And then cv2 dot I am show. So we are going to show the camera, fine. And here I'm going to pass, you can write whatever you want. So I'm going to write my cam, and then comma, you have to pass the parameter which is frame, which we have captured from the video camera, right? So then yes, we know that once if the function started running means we have to stop it, right? At some point we have to stop our process. So when we are going to stop is we need a button click or mouse click, right? So for that we know that why we are going to use wait key function. So to keep our window for particular amount of time, right? So if cv2 dot wait key, wait key, usually it has to be 0. Now I am going to keep 1. Let me tell you why I am going to keep 1. And then I am going to keep a value which is an hexadecimal value, x double f is equal to ord inside to the bracket. I am going to keep, you can keep any letter, because I am going to use a key for stopping the camera. Okay, so I am going to use a, right? You can use any character over there. Then so if it is true, then we have to break our statement. So that's it, the important part of this program is over. Now I am going to set that when I am going to release the video, so if the condition is satisfies, so with release off, right? So then cv2 dot, we know that last line it is going to be destroy all window. So let me show you, let me explain you once again. This will all not required, just to understand I have written over there. See, I have imported OpenCV, then I have created a video variable, video is equal to cv2 dot video capture, and then I'm going to set a condition that if this line of statements are true, then after that we have to release our video, then we have to destroy all the windows, right? So the conditions are simple. I'm going to open a video camera, I mean I'm going to get the frame, I mean the camera, that's going to be my result or output, you can say. Then I'm going to check that whether I'm able to close my camera by using any button key, right? So let me save my program and click run. Yes, of course. And now I have given the key A, so I'm going to press a key A. Yes, I can able to close my camera by using the button click. Now you can ask that sir, what is the use of this line? So we know that AND operation, so AND operation will access either it can be a wait key. So if you're going to keep 0, okay, so we know that what is AND operation, right? AND means both condition has to be satisfied, then only we can go, it will proceed the next line, right? So the wait key has to be 1 millisecond, and then so you can keep 0 also, it will stay long forever. And then we have to press a key that which is A. We know that what is the character length, I mean character bits are 8 bits. So I have, if any character can have a 8 bit, it has, that value is going to be 111 like that, right? So we see here 0xFF, which is nothing but a hexadecimal value which is 8 ones, okay? So it has to satisfy both the condition, then only it will release the video, it will release the camera, right? In that sense we have to understand this. So it's simple line of code for open your camera. And let me teach you how to get the image from the camera, and then how to save the image and how to save the videos by using this OpenCV code in coming tutorials, right? Just try this, and if you have any doubts you can ask me anytime, and you can comment in comment section also. So thanks for watching, and see you in next video.